Welcome to Squad. Squad is a tactical first-person shooter featuring realistic combatants fighting in large-scale 100-player battles that take place all over the world. Take the fight to the enemy on land, by air, or at sea. Squad bridges the gap between arcade shooters and military simulations by combining the depth of challenge and strategy you get from military simulations while striving to be as accessible as an arcade shooter. Squad builds its primary focus around the combined efforts of the group instead of the individual. Players who stick together and fight as a squad are given the advantage, be it in survivability or firepower, while players who fight in isolation and don't work together are penalised. Within each squad on a team, each player fills a specific limited role, as it is common both in modern-day militaries and in many competitive video games. Whether you are your squad's leader, its automatic rifleman, or its medic, your squad mates will depend on the unique benefits your role brings to the squad. Squad comes equipped with a high-quality in-game voice chat system for talking to your squad mates, nearby players, and even to other squad leaders in order to make working together as easy as possible. At the highest level, the game is designed with authentic military combat in mind, to make you feel like a soldier taking part in a large conflict with real players, complete with chaotic firefights and vehicle transportation carrying full squads around the battlefield. Players shape the front line by constructing forward operating bases used as spawn points for the team, and grouping up to place rally points as spawn points for their own squad. This means each round is a completely different experience, and how well each squad works together and strategizes will tip the balance of the match.